Latest News is essentially the section to show your latest posts. So if you have any new posts, the most newest one will appear here, followed by the next one and the next one. So it looks pretty much just like this. So if you click on one of it like this, or like this, this is how your post would read. You also have your sidebar here, which you could edit on your admin panel under the widgets section. There's even a calendar for you to map your posts on when they were published. To view more posts, just click on this button and it links to localhost WordPress my-blog, which is actually this page here. See this? And this page basically lists down all the latest articles, posts that you have.